Hello everybody. So guys, from this lecture we're going to start the Bootstrap, learning Bootstrap from this lecture. So we'll be talking about what is the Bootstrap and why we should learn the Bootstrap. So the very interesting thing is you can build responsive mobile first projects on a web with the world's most popular front-end component library. This is the Bootstrap's basic information. Means you can build a complete web page, complete website, or a kind of application. And interestingly, the mobile first, that means your website will be applicable to a mobile too. You can run the website on any kind of device by using the Bootstrap if you just apply the Bootstrap on that device. So Bootstrap is an open source toolkit for developing with HTML, CSS, and JS. Quickly prototype your ideas or build your entire app with our Sass variables and mixins. Responsive grid system, extensive pre-built components, and powerful plugins built on jQuery. jQuery is a library of JS, and it's a kind of combination of the Bootstrap is a combination of HTML, CSS, and the JS and the jQuery. So ultimately, HTML, CSS, and JS. So some more interesting things about the Bootstrap, about what we're going to learn. Bootstrap has many versions. We're going to talk about the latest version, the Bootstrap 4. We won't be talking about the previous versions or the difference between them because I want you to teach this course as a beginner to the professional. I don't want you to learn Bootstrap 3 first, then talk about the Bootstrap 4 elements. I'm going to talk about the whole Bootstrap, but we'll be starting from the basic Bootstrap to the end. Okay, so this is the basic thing about the Bootstrap. You can build any kind of website. It has its own grid system. It has its own extensive pre-built components, and you just need to apply the class. You just need to do a few things, and then Bootstrap will run on your project. I'll be telling about how Bootstrap works in the next lecture, so stay tuned and goodbye.